sun went down and they fill him up a big old jug and pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, happy cold squeezing, white lightning. Well, the G-Man and the revenue was too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking kind of booking, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Well, ask my old pappy why he called his brew a white lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started clashing. White lightning.
Bad batch.
Well, G-Man and the revenue was too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Well, City Slicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I'd like to try that powerful stuff. He took a big slug and he drank it all down, and I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, my pappy cold squeezing. White lightning. Well, the G-Man the revenue was too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning.